guys, welcome to my channel. So Audi A3 this is a 1.4, sure it's a 1.4, yeah, it's a 1.4 petrol, 2016, 17, 18, they're all the same. So to change the air filter, my apprentice was doing it all wrong on another car that we had. So just for those that don't know how to do the air filter on the Audi A3s, this is the right way. So disconnect this air pipe, disconnect one at the top, this one just pries off, this one you've got to get a mole grip and loosen it up, and then there's a air feed there that you just unplug, and then once you've done that, this just pops off. Once you've popped it off, turn it around, and then there's two bastard screws on the inside underneath. So disconnect them, take them off, and then you can see these clips here. Push it in and then pull up. Again, same here, same there, and then this should split. Once it splits, well, make sure you've got these two off. Once it splits, then you can put the air filter back on and then put it back in the same way you took it off, in reverse order. Hope this video helps, and I hope it helps someone not to damage the air filter box, because it's quite common on these Audi A3s, Volkswagen Polos, Volkswagen Golfs. In my opinion, I think that's quite a shit design, that. But anyway, hope this video helps.